Did you know happiness isn't just about feeling good? Here are 10 surprising psychological facts about happiness that will completely change the way you think about it. 1. Happiness is contagious. Your mood can influence up to 3 degrees of separation in your social circle. When you're happy, your friend's friend's friend feels it too, without ever meeting you. 2. Experiences beat possessions. Research shows spending money on experiences like trips or concerts creates longer-lasting joy than buying material items. Memories bring more happiness than stuff. 3. Your brain rewards kindness. Acts of generosity light up the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine. Helping others isn't just good for them. It's an instant happiness booster for you. 4. Gratitude rewires your brain. Practicing gratitude strengthens neural pathways associated with positive emotions. Just writing 3 things you're grateful for daily can make you happier over time. 5. Happiness doesn't follow success. It fuels it. Contrary to popular belief, achieving success doesn't lead to happiness. Instead, happiness makes you more likely to succeed by increasing creativity, productivity, and resilience. 6. Nature restores happiness. Spending just 20 minutes in nature can lower stress hormones and boost feelings of well-being. Even looking at pictures of greenery has a calming effect. 7. Happiness thrives on variety. Routine breeds boredom. Adding small, unexpected changes to your day, like trying a new coffee shop, triggers a dopamine release, increasing joy. 8. Sleep is the ultimate mood booster. Lack of sleep reduces your brain's ability to process positive emotions. Even one night of quality sleep can dramatically enhance your happiness levels. 9. Negative emotions are necessary. Here's a twist. Feeling sad sometimes actually makes you happier in the long run. Processing and overcoming negative emotions builds emotional resilience. 10th, social media happiness is an illusion. People who limit social media to less than 30 minutes a day report feeling significantly happier. Constant comparison online creates a false sense of inadequacy. Now that you know these 10 surprising facts, how will you boost your happiness today? Remember, happiness isn't a destination. It's a practice. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights that can transform your life.